What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today we're coming to you from Shenzhen, China, also known as the Silicon Valley of China, an up-and-coming global powerhouse located in the Pearl River Valley, which includes Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Hong Kong, and other prefectures, with a total population of 65 million people. Just to put that into perspective, that is more people than the entire country of Canada and Australia combined in the size of the state of Massachusetts. In this video, I walk around with a guide who shows me around downtown Shenzhen. Bear in mind, there are multiple downtowns in Shenzhen. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this virtual tour.
When is the best time to come to Shenzhen for good weather?
This is not absolute. Not absolute.
There's no good answer.
You know, it's like October, after October, November, and that is time much better, you know.
And is the weather like this with the sky always foggy?
Clear, sometimes clear.
Clear. The main road goes right through the middle?
Yeah.
What is it?
This is the famous, one of the 8 wonders in the city. This road.
Oh, what are the 8 wonders of Shenzhen?
Yeah. In China, there are 2 stock exchange centers. This one is the former Shenzhen Stock Exchange Center, the blue one. The
Stock exchange?
Stock Exchange Center. Shanghai and here. In China, only 2 places.
Oh, so Shenzhen and Shanghai are the 2 stock exchanges.
From this you can see its importance in China.
Which building?
That the blue one.
The blue one is the stock exchange.
Yeah, the blue one. The blue one is the top, you know, like that one, you know.
Yeah. Big old bull outside the stock exchange building in Shenzhen. So this is the Futian underground CBD. It's huge. It's like a whole underground city in Shenzhen.
Another metro station.
And they got huge food courts. Goes all these different directions. See, it's even called Fashion Mego Food Plaza. Just to show you how big this food court is. It goes major league back that way. And then it goes major this way. And in about 2 hours, this place will be jam-packed as everyone from the central area in Shenzhen will get off work. Right now it's just 4 o'clock, so in about an hour, everyone will just come flooding into this Futian railway station in Shenzhen. So they're also going to be building a connecting line, which will be done in September, and it will take you directly, high-speed train directly to Hong Kong. That's what John, my guide, the commander.
A area, B area, C area. This is one company. This is a food company, you know.
Oh wow.
Over there is A.
A.
And behind it, from that way, on the other side of the train station, there are 3 metro stations connected by food street, just food street. Because on the outside, so many skyscrapers, office buildings. So after office, in the evening, so many people firstly have a dinner here, then take a metro, go home.
Okay, so this is what? The government building?
This is government building, government, the local parliament and the government hall, and that's art museum. And behind here is the children's activity center, and that one of the famous park, Lotus Hill Park. On the top, you can see big statue. Is a bronze statue. Is Mr. Deng Xiaoping. Do you know Deng Xiaoping?
No.
Deng Xiaoping, you know, Deng Xiaoping is Deng Xiaoping that opened China to outside.
Oh, good.
Yeah, in 1979, or 78, he visited USA and shook hands with your president.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he's very famous. He passed away in 1997.
Wow.
In 1997, and that one is the concert hall of the city. That one's the library.
Library.
Yeah. Generation, the Communist Party, first generation.
Yeah.
But in the end, after Mao died, passed away, he controlled China again.
Oh.
He controlled China, after Mao. He's a military commander. He's a military chairman. But he's not the top leader, but he's the actual top leader. He controls the top leader. But he won't. He just controls the power,
Yeah.
Controls the power. But he don't take that post.
Oh.
He didn't take about that.
This is a government building. Museum?
Industrial museum. That's Ping An Financial Center, the tourist building. No, that's tourist building. So after 2010, that building was the tourist building. The new stock center behind that
New what?
New at the